Hey guys, thanks for your interest in our Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. This is a great product and it's very universal for different projects. People use this on their countertop projects for many different colors, going over their old existing tops or fabricating new ones. People also use this for their woodworking projects and going over their wood slab tables, their pallet tables, their farmhouse tables or river tables. Woodworkers simply love our product as well. People also use this to create shower panels. It's very water resistant. You can create stone looking shower panels flat and install them vertical. It just goes on and on of what you can do with our original Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. This is our 2-gallon kit. It'll do 40 square feet. This is our 1-gallon kit. It'll do 20 square feet. And this is our half-gallon kit. It'll do 10 square feet. And what we mean by 40, 20, and 10 square feet is that's 2 coats. You can do your first coat, which is your color coat. This is where you add the additives and the metallics and the spray paints and you make it look like stone. But you always want to add a second coat of our same product over the top for that protection, that uninhibited, undaunted color. You want just clear, because this is where you're going to find your scratch resistance, your heat resistance, and the longevity of the product. So we have a product that do-it-yourselfers love for many reasons. Number one, it's DIY friendly because it's 0 VOC. You don't get that noxious smell. You're not gonna have that nasty epoxy smell. This is 0 VOC, 100% solids. It's been formulated with the do-it-yourselfer and the contractor in mind so that you don't have this smell in the house. Number two, it's gonna last you a long time because it's formulated for countertops. What do we mean by that? Well, in a countertop that's an old laminate countertop that has an overhang and you set your kids up there, or you know, people rest their elbows and there's some flex to those counters. This is gonna flex. It's not gonna become brittle over time. It's not gonna yellow like you will have an inexpensive epoxy do. It's going to last you a really long time because it's been formulated and built for countertops. It's also built to go over wood slabs because wood expands and contracts. This will do that and follow that wood, and it's not gonna release and crack and get brittle over time. After our epoxy has cured, it is heat resistant. So you've seen our video on the durability. If you haven't, go check that out. But you can actually put hot pans right on the surface. That's important when you're in a kitchen environment and you may have an accident and you need to quickly set that hot pan down. You're not gonna destroy your hard work. It's renewable. Let's say you put this in an apartment or a rental that you own and those renters come in and beat it up. Well, people who own those rentals, they love our products because it can be renewed. You can simply sand and polish it or do a clear coat 5 years down the road and it'll look like the day you installed it. That's important as well. Our products are also very easy to clean. They're non-porous, they're food safe. They've been approved for food contact in commercial kitchens. What does that mean? It's not gonna harbor bacteria and be a bad place for you to have you and your family cook and clean. So it's an easy product to clean, it's an easy product to work with, it's do-it-yourself friendly, it's the original Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. Thanks for watching. Call us anytime if you have questions for free project support. Until then, you got this. Thanks, guys.